How's it going, everyone? Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. I have a 2019 Hyundai Kona Luxury that is all-wheel drive. Let me show you around. So you have a 2-liter 4-cylinder underneath the hood, powering the all-wheel drivetrain. Got these real nice alloy wheels. Got the tinted windows in the back, the roof rails up top. Come around back here. You have the 60/40 folding rear seats along with spare floor mats. You got the cargo cover up top. This unit is accident free. It's in great condition and very comfortable to drive. Coming into the interior now, we got the door panels. You have your mirror and window controls here. You got these real nice leather seats along with the sunroof up top. You got your lane keep assist, traction control, blind spot monitoring, and your display brightness. 48,391 kilometers currently on the vehicle. Infotainment screen. You got your climate control, auxiliary, USB. In the middle there, you have your drive mode, 4-wheel drive, along with your heated front seats and steering wheel, gear select, cup holders, and center console. You have your cruise control settings on the steering wheel here as well. And coming into the back here, 60/40 folding rear seats. Like I said earlier, to bring them down, you have this little button up top there. You have your cup holders in the middle here. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2019 Hyundai Kona. For more information on this SUV, feel free to reach out to us, 250-860-6000, or you could always drop by our dealership as we're open Monday to Saturday, 9 to 6. Thank you guys again for watching. Have yourselves a great day. Bye for now.